Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're exploring what many consider the best Lings bouquets for weddings, the HOMENERGY set of 6 bridesmaid bouquets. These artificial bouquets are designed to bring elegance and charm to your special day without the worry that comes with fresh flowers. Each bouquet measures 7 inches in diameter, making them the perfect size for bridesmaids to hold comfortably. The flowers themselves are crafted from a blend of high-quality faux silk and plastic materials. This combination not only gives the bouquets a lifelike appearance but also ensures durability throughout your wedding ceremony and celebration. The design features ivory white roses paired with green eucalyptus branches, creating a simple yet romantic look that fits beautifully with vintage, rustic, or boho wedding themes. Because they are artificial, these bouquets won't wilt or lose their shape, meaning they can also serve as lasting keepsakes or be reused for other occasions. What's especially great about this set is that it includes 6 identical bouquets, perfect for bridesmaids or even for decorating tables as centerpieces. The sturdy construction means they hold up well both indoors and outdoors, adapting seamlessly to any wedding environment. The bouquets arrive pre-made, so you don't have to worry about arranging flowers yourself or dealing with last-minute floral emergencies. They offer a practical alternative to fresh flowers, especially if you're working within a budget or a tight timeline. With dimensions roughly 0.7 inches deep, 19 inches wide, and 16 inches high, these bouquets have a substantial presence without being overwhelming. They are unscented, which can be a plus for guests sensitive to fragrances. Additionally, these bouquets are versatile beyond weddings. They can add a touch of sophistication to anniversaries, parties, or any elegant event. Their timeless ivory color pairs well with a wide variety of color palettes and decor styles. Overall, the HOMENERGY set of 6 bridesmaid bouquets offers a beautiful, durable, and budget-friendly solution for wedding flowers. If you want a hassle-free, elegant floral option that lasts beyond your big day, this set deserves serious consideration. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more detailed product reviews to help you make the best choices for your special occasions.